And here these problems are based on the kinematic equations. We have kinematic equations. V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square minus u square equal to 2as. And these are called kinematic equations. Kinematic equations means equations which represents or which are used to describe the motion of a body in a straight line. When the body moves along a straight line, then to describe the motion of that body, we use some formulas, some equations. These equations are called kinematic equations. And here V equal u plus at, S equal to ut plus half at square, u square minus u square equal 2as. These are the three kinematic equations which are generally used to describe the motion of a body in a straight line, right? So based on these equations, we can do some problems. A bullet going with the speed of 350 meter per second enters a concrete wall and penetrates a distance of 5 centimeter before comes to a stop. Find the deceleration. Deceleration means negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is called retardation or deceleration. Bullet is going with a speed of 350 meter per second. Enters a concrete wall and penetrates a distance of 5 centimeter before comes to a stop. Okay. So here this is the concrete wall. This is the concrete wall. This is the concrete wall. Now bullet is going, this is the bullet going with a speed of 350 meter per second. So when the bullet is moving through air, its velocity almost remains constant as 350 meter per second. Now this bullet strikes the wall, concrete wall, like this. So when this bullet strikes the concrete wall, what happens? That wall opposes the motion of the bullet. So it opposes, it applies some resistance to the motion of the velocity of the bullet. Hence what happens? So when this bullet enters here, like this, when the bullet enters here, concrete wall, so because of the opposition, its velocity gradually decreases like this. Decreases, becomes 0 somewhere else. That means it comes to a stop there after traveling a distance of 5 centimeter. Here this is given as 5 centimeter. In this way, so bullet enters the concrete wall. Because of the opposing force of the wall, its velocity decreases and finally comes to a stop. And it is given that the bullet travels through a distance of 5 centimeter in the concrete wall before it stops. Before it stops. That means here distance travelled by the bullet inside the wall is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the deceleration in this case, because here velocity of the bullet, speed of the bullet gradually decreases, means when velocity changes, acceleration comes into picture. Of course, here velocity decreases. That is why we have to calculate negative acceleration, which is called deceleration. So it is asked to find the deceleration. That means we have to calculate a value, that is acceleration. For this we use kinematic equation. So to use the kinematic equation, we have to write the data. That means here the bullet starts here and moves like this. So at this point, this is the initial point of the journey, because change takes place after this point. Which change? Velocity change. Hence this can be taken as the initial point and this can be taken as the final point of the journey. So velocity at the initial point is taken as initial velocity. So initial velocity is written as u. So u is equal to initial velocity of the bullet. Initial velocity of the bullet is 350 meter per second. final velocity, that is velocity here. The bullet comes to a stop after traveling a distance of 5 centimeter. Since it is stopped here, its velocity here is 0. That is final velocity. Final velocity is 0 because it is stopped. And during this journey, it travels a distance of 5 centimeter. So, distance travelled S is equal to 5 centimeter. And here, the centimeter should be converted into meter. It should not be like that because here this velocity is in meter per second. Hence, it should be converted into meter per second. So, 5 centimeter means 5 by 100 meter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So, 5 centimeter means 5 by 100 meter. 5 by 100 meter. 5 by 100 meter means 0.05. So, 0.05 meter, this is distance. We have to find the acceleration. Of course, here we get a negative value of acceleration. Hence, is called deceleration or deceleration. So, that means we have to find the value of A. Which formula to be used here? UVSA. Kinematic equation involving these parameters is V square minus U square equal to AS. So, using V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So, here V is 0. So, 0 square minus U is 350 whole square is equal to 2AS. 2A into S, here S is 0.05. So, minus 350 into or 350 square is equal to 2 or A into this 2 into 0.05, 0. Simply 1, 0.1. So, we have to calculate A. So, A is equal to minus 350 into 350 square. 350 whole square means 350 into 350 divided by 0.1. So, here A is equal to minus, this is 35 into 35 into, here there are two zeros. When this is 0.1 goes, 0.1 means 1 by 10, then 10 goes to numerator. Then you get, in addition to these two zeros, you get another 0, that is 10 cube. Or A is equal to minus 35 into 35, you have to calculate. So, 35 into 35. So, 1225 into 10 cube, or you can write A is equal to minus 12.25 into 10 power 5 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration. So, acceleration equal to minus 12.25 into 10 power 5 meter per second square, or you can also say 1.225 into 10 power 6. If this decimal comes over here, then it becomes 10 power 6 instead of 10 power 5. So, it can also be written like this, minus 1.225, this comes here, 1.225 into 10 power 6 meter per second square. So, here we get to acceleration as negative. That is why it is asked to find the deceleration. Therefore, deceleration is equal to simply 1.225 into 10 power 6 meter per second square. When you say deceleration, you need not say the minus. Minus itself is deceleration. So, deceleration is equal to 1.225 into 10 power 6 meter per second square. So, this is the answer. Another problem which is similar to the previous one. A person traveling at 43.2 kilometer per hour applies brakes giving deceleration of 6 meter per second square to his scooter. How far it travels before it comes to a stop. So here person traveling at 43.2 kilometer per hour. So this is the scooter person traveling with a speed of 43.2 kilometer per hour. Applies brakes. When brakes are applied, what happens? When brakes are applied to the scooter, what happens? Velocity decreases, speed decreases. Decreases becomes, finally becomes 0. That means speed becomes 0 here. So this is initial point of the journey, this is the final point of the journey. Hence it becomes initial velocity and final velocity becomes 0. Why? Finally it stops. That scooter finally stops, hence final velocity is 0. And here deceleration is given as 6 meter per second square. Since deceleration, acceleration is minus, so a equal to minus 6 meter per second square. And we have to find the distance travelled before comes to a stop. We have to find the distance here. We have to find distance. So we have to write the data for this journey. Initial velocity of the scooter u is equal to 43.2 kilometer per hour. This kilometer per hour should be converted into meter per second. For this you have conversion factor 1 kmph, kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per second. This is the conversion factor. So here 43.2 into 5/18, this is 2 times 8 into 36, then you have 72, and this is 4, 8 in 4, so 72. So 2.4 into 5, then u is equal to, so this is 12, 5 to 10, 5 0.4 is 2, 12 meter per second. So this is the initial velocity of the scooter. Now brakes are applied, then finally it comes to a stop, hence final velocity v equal to 0. Then deceleration is given as 6 meter per second square, hence acceleration is a equal to minus 6 meter per second square, because it is given the deceleration of 6 meter per second square, hence acceleration equal to minus 6. We have to find s equal to how much? Then what is the formula to be used? Involving u, v, a and s. V square minus u square equal to 2as. Hence using the formula v square minus u square equal to 2as. So here v is 0, 0 square minus u is 12, 12 square equals to 2 into, what is a here? Minus 6, and s we have to calculate. So this is minus 12 square, that is minus 12 square is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. So minus 144 is equal to 2 into 6, 12, here minus, so minus 12s. And minus cancels out on both sides. Then s is equal to 144 divided by 12. Again this is 12 times 12. So your answer is 12 meter. So here distance covered by the scooter before comes to a stop is 12 meter. Okay. In this way you can use the kinematic equations. For using these kinematic equations, first of all you must write the data. What do you mean by data here? Data means what is the initial velocity, what is the final velocity, what is the distance covered, what is the acceleration, like that. So first of all you must know the journey and initial point of the journey, final point of the journey. So for the initial point of the journey, final point of the journey, you have to write the velocities or speeds, initial velocity, final velocity or initial speed, final speed, acceleration and displacement. Out of 4 parameters, 1 parameter is not known and 3 parameters are known. From those 3 parameters, known parameters, you can calculate the unknown parameter using the relevant kinematic equation. Right? Okay. So in this way, here distance traveled by the scooter before comes to a stop is 12 meter, right?